Hi guys, welcome back. Today let us talk about something uncomfortable, something very working professional is secretly afraid of. AI is taking their job. Not just factory jobs, not just repetitive work. AI is now doing coding, writing, designing, analyzing, customer support, legal summaries, financial reports, and it is getting better every single week. But here is the truth: people who fail in the next 3 years won't fail because AI replaced them. They will fail because they did not upskill in time. So, today I am giving you 7 certifications that are actually worth doing in 2026. Certification that makes you AI resistant, highly employable, and globally valuable. Watch this till the end because the last certification, it is the one that can double your salary the fastest. Look, AI can do task, but AI cannot take responsibility. AI cannot interact with the CEOs. AI can't take legal accountability. AI can't make judgment calls when things go wrong. That is where you come in. And employers now want one thing: proof that you can do what AI can't. College degrees are too slow, online courses are too basic, but certifications, especially global, industry recognized certifications, give you real leverage. So let us start. Certification number one: Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect. Cloud is exploding. Every AI tool, every app, every business runs on the cloud. But here is the catch: cloud architecture is not clicking buttons, it's judgment, risk, security, and business logic. Now, AI can replace that. If you can design secure, scalable cloud systems, you become one of the highest paid IT professionals globally. Who should do this? IT professionals, software engineers, develops engineers. Why it is safe from AI? Because when an entire company goes down, nobody is going to say, let ChatGPT handle it. They will definitely call you. Certificate number two: AWS Solutions Architect. AW is the king of the cloud world. If you master AWS, you instantly unlock jobs in the US, Europe, Middle East, India, and everywhere. Companies don't want coders who finish tasks, they want architects who think. AI does not think, AI predicts big differences. Certificate number three: CISSP, Cybersecurity Specialist. AI is powerful, but hackers are more creative. Cybersecurity is the only field where humans attack, humans defend, humans break patterns. So humans are required. CISSP is the gold standard. Difficult, but yes. Worth it? Absolutely. If you want a job that will never die, this is it. Certification number four: Google Data Engineer. Data is the new oil, and AI is useless without good data pipeline. Data engineers don't just analyze, they build the entire system behind AI. The certification makes you the person who builds what AI runs on. Certification number five: Google Cloud Security Engineer. This is cloud plus cyber security together, two of the most in demand fields in the world. And the demand will explode in 2026 to 2030. If you want an insane job stability and global opportunity, this is one of the safest bets. Certification number 6, PMP, Project Management Professional. Here is the truth. AI can do tasks, but AI can't lead people. Project management requires emotion, negotiation, conflict resolution, leadership, strategy. No AI model can replace it. PMB is one of the most respected certifications worldwide, and it opens doors in IT, government, finance, healthcare, and tech. And certification number 7, certified ethical hacker. AI can scan vulnerabilities, but AI cannot think like a criminal. Ethical hacking requires intuitions, creativity, unpredictability, the exact thing AI sucks at. If you want an exciting future proof job, ethical hacking will outline AI in the metaverse, Bitcoin, pretty much everything. At last, listen to me carefully. AI is not your enemy, but becoming replaceable is. If you learn even one of these certifications in 2025, you will increase your salary, increase your stability, increase your global job opportunities, and make yourself AI resistant. The next 3 years will decide your next 30 years. Choose wisely and comment below which certifications are you thinking about doing next. I will guide you personally. And make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with one friend who is struggling to find his career or a failed who chose a wrong career so that they may wake up, they may get a support from somebody who knows better than them. This is Sajin Explains. See you next one.